Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky Agriculture. In this video, we will discuss about ICRPG or JRF Agronomy 2021 toppers rank and their university allotted. I am Sanjay Rathore and I have also achieved All India rank 35 in JRF Agronomy 2021 and I have allotted GBP UAT Pantnagar Uttarakhand. So here is the list of JRF Agronomy toppers. So the first ranker's marks was 387 and he is Subham Grover. I think he is from HIU and he allotted IARI New Delhi and his category rank was in EWS category also first. Then we don't have the data about All India rank second and third. If you know about them, then you can comment in a comment section, okay? And the fourth ranker is Soumya Prakash Bhai. His marks is 347 and he is also allotted IARI New Delhi. And in fourth rank, Saugatha Roy, his marks is 342 and he is also allotted IARI New Delhi. His SC category rank was first. And Ms. Bipasa Das, she achieved All India rank 6 and she is also in IARI Assam. And next is Priyanka Kantwa. Her marks is 335 and he chosen Jhansi after New Delhi. That's why she allotted RLB CIU Jhansi. And the next rank is 8th. And the Rohitas Dudwal is the 8th ranker. His marks is 330 and he also allotted IARI Assam. And the next rank is Mr. Abhishek Patidar, who is also the one of the founder of Tricky Agriculture, and he got 329 and achieved All India rank 9. He also allotted IARI Assam. Then the next rank is Satyam Rawat. He achieved All India rank 10th and he's allotted IARI Jharkhand. His rank in OBC category was 5. And you can take screenshot or the PDF I have shared in Telegram channel, so you can download from there. So rest rank list is here. You can take screenshot and you also can share the video with your JRF agronomy aspirants. And here is the rank of mine, that is Sanjay Rathore, All India rank 35, and I have secured I got 301 marks and I have allotted Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. And my category rank was 15 and I have allotted in first round. And Miss Rajeshwari Yadav, she is also the founder of Tricky Agriculture and she got 300 marks and secured All India rank 37 and she is also allotted Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, UK, Pantnagar. Okay. Then next is All India rank 49, Miss Parthi Nayak. She is one of the founder of Tricky Agriculture and she is allotted UAS Bangalore. So here also I am announcing ICRPG or JRF Agronomy online classes. Okay, and the classes will be taken by the toppers of JRF Agronomy 2021. And here this syllabus that we will cover, and here is teacher who will cover the topics, different topics. Mostly we will cover every topic and including general agriculture, current affairs, previous year question papers, okay, remote sensing, etc. And here is our fees structure. We have started from 15th December and there is a 7 days demo class. And in morning we take 1 hour class in which we teach about Reddy Reddy and SR Reddy, and the second lecture is in the evening and up to 9. And here is the fees structure in which we charge 400 per month, or you can pay 2000 for a year. Okay, and here is our TNC in which you will get free class if you achieve top 3 rank in monthly test. Okay, then why should you join, or you can say these are some features that you will get. So classes by top rankers, okay, and the written short notes also there, and regular classes and doubt clearing sessions, chapter wise monthly test, live interaction with toppers. We also conduct interaction with toppers, and then quick revision strategy, okay, till exam. And then language we use to teach, that is both Hindi and English. And also we have test facilities, okay, mock test facilities in which we provide on the basis of new pattern, in which statement wise question and match the type question and assertion reason, everything based on new pattern. You will get the test, mock test. Okay, so here I am ending this video, and you can, if you find beneficial, then you can share with your friends. Thanks for watching.